mi smo BEST Mostar. BEST stoji za Board of European Students of Technology. Mi smo taj udruženje evropskih studenta tehnologije. U Mostaru postojimo od 2011. godine. U tom periodu 7 godina mi smo napravili nekih jako mnogo projekata. Ideja ovog seminara, to je zapravo glavni proizvod, da ga tako nazovemo, naše organizacije koji mi organizujemo već 5. godinu za redom. Njegov krajnji cilj je zapravo da osnažimo različitosti kroz taj neki edukativni dio naše omladine. Jednostavno da im pomognemo da napreduju, da nađu sebe u ovom svijetu, da ih usmjerimo nekako, da im damo neke osnove u njihovoj struci i da oni mogu nastaviti istoga dalje u svijetu.
Dakle, ovo je nekako naš trademark. Ovo su BEST-ovi kursevi, podijeljeni su u 4 sezone. Kursevi su tehnološki bazirani, te iz godine u godinu mi gledamo da nešto inovativno ubacimo na BiH scenu. Tako smo, na primjer, prošle godine imali kurs na temu Internet of Things, pretprošle IT security, prije toga smo imali startup kompanije, međutim ove godine je data science u pitanju. Te smo ovdje danas da učimo o machine learningu.
To je trenutno jedan veliki hot topic na IT sceni i sve više i više kompanija zapravo okreće upravo u tom smjeru. O čemu se tu radi? Zapravo nauka o podacima, odnosno data science, zapravo kombinuje neke dijelove iz matematike, statistike i programiranja u cilju analize što veće količine podataka i davanja upotrebne vrijednosti tim podacima. Uzimajući u obzir da smo mi danas okruženi informacijama, podacima i da ima ih previše na neki način, to zapravo dovodi u red sve to što mi imamo.
Veoma interesantna tema sama po sebi, a machine learning kao dio data science je neizbježan za uključivanje u samom kursu. Tako imamo pod našem silabusu 2 sata samog machine learninga tokom našeg kursa.
Danas imamo tu 20 stranih studenta koji dolaze iz cijele Europe, Francuska, Italija, Austrija, Rumunija, imamo učesnika iz 12 zemalja i imamo 10 lokalnih učesnika sa našeg univerziteta Džemal Bijedić u Mostaru. Oni imaju 30 radnih sati, što je otprilike jedan ECTS bod. U tih 30 sati oni će proći kroz mnogo kompanija, proći će kroz mnogo predavanja, ali također pored toga imaju i društveni dio, odnosno upoznavanje naše kulture, upoznavanje jedni s drugima, upoznavanje jednostavno s nama i jednostavno druženje.
Well, I heard about BEST opportunities all over Europe. And so I was interested, so I went to BEST website to just check which courses were here. And it was the only course with the word data science, so from the beginning it struck me. And Bosnia is, I'd say, maybe an uncommon destination for French people. And so I know that I didn't know well East Europe, so I wanted also to go there. So that's why the match between the two was great for me. Like it was like an unknown country to visit and a topic I was interested in, so it was only advantageous for me.
I think Bosnia is great. It's a great experience to learn things in different countries and to get to know the approach of other countries of technology. I think Bosnia is doing a great job currently, from what I've seen. Only it's not that much, but it's doing a great job of educating people and getting new engineers in developing fields.
I applied to this course because I'm interested in data science and IT in general, and when I looked at the list of courses at BEST, this one was the most interesting of all of them because of data science. It's emerging now. In the future it's going to be huge, so I'd like to catch the train early.
Last year that I began to grasp that we were talking more and more about data science and big data. And at some point in my engineer school, sometimes I was wondering why I chose the engineer school, because first of all, I love math. And then I realized that it was a great opportunity because as engineers, we have the capacity to understand how the algorithm works and how everything works. So I became interested in that. And while just getting interested, I realized that at some point I wanted to maybe do my career in this field. And as I took some courses related to big data and machine learning, I just enjoyed it, so I decided to continue on with it.
Na naše kursove se mogu prijaviti internacionalni studenti sa svakog univerziteta gdje postoji naša lokalna base grupa. Dakle, 95 univerziteta je članica naše BEST organizacije. Tako da postoji mogućnost da nam dođe učesnika iz 30 različitih država, ne zapravo 12. Sve u zavisnosti od interesa studenata, te na osnovu njihovih motivacionih pisama mi smo napravili selekciju, te smo dobili iz 12 različitih država naše učesnike.
I like this kind of meetings because they give me much more experience if other courses would do this with similar people. This kind of course has lots of people from other countries, and I can learn their lives and cultures as well, so I'll have more experience rather than courses with fewer nationalities.
Here you meet people that usually you wouldn't talk to because I can only speak for myself, but back home I concern with myself only with my physics friends, and I hang with my physics friends, and that's who I talk to all the time. But in these kinds of circles where you have a little more free time and you're not constantly busy going from lecture to lecture and studying for some exam, you get to talk about other things, and you get a new view of other fields, and for me that is really interesting, and I think that is exactly what's happening, that maybe people like me and people like them, the IT people, they take information from different fields and they can actually apply it and work with that new knowledge.
Jednostavno pokušavamo da stvorimo taj neki international mindset, da stvorimo taj neki način razmišljanja da smo svi mi jedno, da ne postoje granice, da ne postoje razlike i da svi zajedno radimo na tome da postanemo mnogo bolje verzije sebe.